Hi friends, welcome. To understand these AI tools, particularly the NotebookLM, we'll take an example this time and we'll pick up a topic, say a area on a industrial automation, and what we will do is we'll ask NotebookLM to find out the better sources for us and use that sources to create a audio overview or a podcast for us in a regional language. So this time we have picked up Telugu as our language. So you can select out of a list of 50 such languages, you can select which one you want. So we have selected Telugu and try to generate the podcast in the language what you select. So let's just explore it. I am in my notebook LM. Now let me just go to setting. I want to change the language here. So output language. Now click this. Last time I used Hindi, so it is showing me Hindi. This time I want to go to Telugu. So I had to correctly pick up. This is. So I saved it. Now I have creating a new one. Now this time what I am going to do is whatever I have copied text I have used it, I am pasting it here. No, instead of that, this question I will ask it to notebook. Let me close this. I will use the discover feature. Now here what I am going to do is I will paste this topic. So now I have given a topic and click import. So now this topic, it will take it, do a research work on it, and it will find out what are the different sources. Here are the different sources, what are different control system, manufacturing. Okay, I have clicked the import all. So I am importing all this as my sources. Many are in English and some are in Telugu also. Note that this time the language I have selected is Telugu. So what I can cross check it here also. Setting. Now output language, you can see this, it is here. So I will just close this, go back again. So it will one by one, it will add all the sources to this one. I can close this panel, expand it, start chatting here, or this side, right side also I can close it or expand it. Now let me just come here. It is still adding the sources to our study. So it will generate the audio overview. Now in this audio overview I can customize it also. Let it load fast. One source it has failed to load, fine. So 10 sources it has studied and it has given me here a nice one icon also it has given. Now let us first try a mind map. Mind map is already we had discussed this. Mind map gives us a total picture. Let's see whether it is giving it in a Telugu or English. This is the new feature, in fact, mind map, generating a mind map. So I can get a total view of it and I can boil down to a individual sub nodes of it and expand the nodes, further break down the nodes and come to the what way it is linked to the main topic. That also I can find out. So that is what the mind map will do. Then I can create a study guide also. I can create. Meanwhile, let me just generate the audio overview. So let me say generate. Before that I have not used the customization button. There I can give my instructions also. So let's go as simple generate the audio overview. It is working on generating the mind map. Similarly, I can create this is the mind map. Let us meanwhile see this. This is the mind map. So different level of automation it gives. Industrial automation and manufacturing concept, industrial control system, 5 levels in industrial automation. Let's just go. If I click that one, so it will give me in the discussion more about it. So let me just go there, or I can go to mind map again. Let's go to mind map again. Here it is. I can close this also. I can keep this here. Let me collapse this. Fine. Now I can. Fine. Here it is a particular topic I have expanded. It is giving me the detail. Let me expand this again. Now I can zoom in or zoom out. This is all about the mind map. Here I can also use zoom in and zoom out. If I click this, it will go and give me the detail. I can expand this topic also, further topics. and then further topics I can expand it. Like that I can continue. Our intention is morely to focus on the audio overview, what is being generated. So let's just I can download it also as a image. Let me close this. So expand this or close it here. Now this audio overview is going on. I can create a study guide also. This study guide I can create it study guide briefing doc. Instead of reading all the things in detail, I can create a briefing doc, a timeline also based on the topic which I am working on. I can create this timeline and briefing doc. So it is click to generating on 10 sources. It's generating a study guide. We have tried, so that it is generating. Now here it is a note it has created. I can further close this and continue briefing doc timeline. Let's see timeline what it gives. This note that this is the language. You can pick up any other language also. Now just to see this, saved response of view only. Okay, fine. Now let me just come back to studio again. It is still generating. Now here one feature is not there, where I would get it in the default English version. So here when the conversation is generated, I can click a button will be there which will tell me join. Here is the audio overview which is ready now. It's a 8 minutes 35 second duration. Let's just play it once and see what it says.
తయారీ ప్రపంచంలోకి వెళ్దాం. అంటే ఎక్కడైతే యంత్రాలు అవి మనుషుల సహాయం లేకుండానే పనులు చేసేస్తాయో అక్కడికి. దీన్నే మనం ఆటోమేషన్ అంటాం కదా.
అవును, ఇది కేవలం మెషీన్లు వాడటం అంటే మెకనైజేషన్ కంటే చాలా ఎక్కువ ఆటోమేషన్ అంటే.
కంట్రోల్ సిస్టమ్స్, కంప్యూటర్లు, ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ వీటన్నిటిని ఉపయోగించి మొత్తం ప్రాసెస్ని ఆటోమేటిక్గా నడిపించడం అన్నమాట.
అయితే ఈ సిస్టమ్స్ అన్నీ ఒకేలా ఉండవు కదా, కొంచెం.
This is how it generate in a local language or in a regional language. In Telugu, this we have seen it. So this we can see it has correctly picked up the words also. Say it is not translating the word automation, which is better understood in a English language. There are many words which is we follow it easily when it is spoken in English. So it correctly knows it. What are the words to keep it in English? Not just literally, it will not translate to a local language. That is the beauty of it. That's beautiful. So that is how we can take any topic. We need not give all the sources also. So it pick up a topic and ask NotebookLM to correct the sources on that topic. So backend it is Google, so it knows the sources better, like as if the best search engine. So all the sources it compile, it will do a research work for us, and finally it generates an audio overview in the language we prefer it. There are 50 languages to pick up, so any language I can select it and it will explain me in that language. This particular audio overview, whatever is generated, I can download it. Right side you have seen the 3 dots are there. Click that, download it, carry it in your pen drive or wherever you want, and on the drive on the run you can listen to this podcast and get the ideas of it. That's all, friend. Let me know how you feel that this tool is useful in the comment section, and like that we keep on posting good tutorials on this AI tools and all. If you have enjoyed this, please, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorials, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.